The rope curve can be found in SASSE Library under Assets and Draw Curves. We can drag and drop it into the scene. There is a known issue with this particular asset where the rope end does not appear. So you can see that there is an end cap. It's set to this rope end collection. But when we look at the rope, there is no cap on there. So we can just X out of that, reassign it, and there is the rope end as we should see it. Hopefully that can be fixed in an update, but I am not sure. It's the only object that has that effect, so I'll see if I can figure out what's going on there. We also have the same types of settings as we had on another curve. This is a multi-strand curve, so we can either go for a single strand or a multiple strands wrapped around one another. Subdivide them to get them more smooth at the cost of performance. So I'll just turn it back down for now. We've got the twist, so we can untwist if we want. Have a less twisty rope. The number of strands, just like the other curve. We can change the color. Looks like I will have to update a color attribute in the end cap. But that is the rope curve.